Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tamil language in Google Translate on your iPhone, whether you want to translate English to Tamil or Tamil to English. I will guide you step by step in simple terms. First, you need to open your Google Translate. If you don't have it yet, download it from App Store. At the top of app, you will see two boxes: the language you type or speak, the language you want to Google Translate to convert it into. To use Tamil, tap either box and scroll down until you find Tamil. Now choose whether you want to translate English to Tamil or Tamil to English. Tap inside the big text box and start typing. For example, type good morning and Google will translate it to Tamil version. You can also tap the speaker icon to hear the Tamil pronunciation. If you want Google to understand your voice, tap to microphone icon. Now speak clearly. If you want in English, Google will show the Tamil translation. If you speak in Tamil, it will show the English translation. This is great for talking to someone for practicing pronunciation. If you want to translate Tamil text from book, board, menu or screen, tap on camera icon, point your iPhone at the text. Google Translate will highlight the Tamil word and show the English meaning instantly. You can also take a picture and select specific text to translate. If you want to translate even without internet, tap on language box, find Tamil, tap to download icon. This lets you translate Tamil anytime, even offline. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.